dealing with probation. In Alameda County, if you're convicted of a felony case, they're going to send you to the probation department for an evaluation. The probation department is going to ask you about your background. They're going to ask you about the case. They're going to ask you about a lot of things, and they're going to prepare a very detailed report to give to the judge with respect to the sentencing in your case. And oftentimes, the judge will make a decision in large part based upon the suggestions and the recommendations of the probation department. So, what does a probation officer want to hear? 3 things. And this is all they want to hear are these 3 things. They want to hear, I did it, I'm sorry, and here's why it's never going to happen again. Okay, I did it. Well, that's pretty simple. If you're going to probation, you have stood up in front of a judge next to your attorney, and you have admitted some criminal conduct as a result of a plea, entering a plea of guilty or no contest in front of the judge. So you did it. Okay, are you sorry? I'm sure you are, because I'm sure that if you had it to do over again, whatever it is, you wouldn't have done it, and you're sorry about having done it. And you're sorry about the consequences, and you're sorry about any damage that you, or injury that was a consequence of behavior. Okay, so you did it, you're sorry. Now, you can say, okay, I did it, I'm sorry, I'll never do it again. But it's better to say, I did it, I'm sorry, and here's why I'll never do it again. And then you want to talk to the probation officer about some things that you've thought about. You want to explain that you don't ever want to be in this situation in court again. You were arrested. It was a dreadful experience being handcuffed. It was a dreadful experience being in jail for whatever period of time you were in jail. It's been a very expensive experience for you and your family, and that you really want to make some changes. You don't want to engage in the kind of behavior that got you here this time, and you're doing everything you can, whether it's giving up alcohol, whether it's getting involved in counseling, whether it's changing antisocial behaviors. You want to explain to the probation officer that these are the reasons that you're not going to be engaged in this conduct again. So, to reiterate, what the probation officer wants to hear is, I did it, I'm sorry, and it's not going to happen again.